Hello, what's up everybody? Here we are in Tambau. This is the neighborhood in João Pessoa on a Saturday night. And it's happening over here on the beach sidewalk. I walked around some blocks in, but the bars are not happening as much as on the beach right here. So yeah, it's happening over here on the sidewalk. There are bars and some parties, or more just like live music, not really parties, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a little bit quiet, but there's always live music somewhere here in Brazil. And yeah, two spots right there, another one right here. It's called Giramundo, that's the name of it here. I'm gonna show you right in a minute. I'm gonna walk by here, Giramundo. We're gonna walk here. That's where the live music is. Giramundo. Alright, here you go. Close up, Giramundo. It's not crowded, it's not busy. Strange for Saturday night. I would think there'd be more people. Look, but they're all just waiting outside. I am shocked. I am so surprised. Actually, I'm happy because Joao Pessoa, Tambau, has an outdoor gym. Look. And it's got full weights. It's like the one in Rio, in Ipanema, or Poador. There are weights and bars, and it's looking good. So we got volleyball back there. We got boats on the sea for snorkeling, I guess. We'll find out another day. But best of all, there's a gym, outdoor gym right here. So you can work out for free at night, in the daytime, anytime you want. Man, this is Joao Pessoa, looking better now. It's looking good. Oi galera, tudo bom? Estou aqui em João Pessoa com meu amigo Jonathan. Ele faz vídeos com drone, DJI Mini.
Olá pessoal, tudo bem?
E você pode pedir seu vídeo sobre como se fala essa letreira?
People, thanks for attention. Welcome to Brazil.
Yo, what's up everybody? So we arrived at the piscina das seixas from João Pessoa, but my mic is dead. My mic battery died after charging it yesterday. So now, sorry about the sound, to deal with this mic sound from the onboard camera. Yeah, so enjoy what we have here with the bad sound.
Seixas também, que tá aparecendo agora, até o sol tá até clareando ela certinho ali, ó. É uma praia de areia branquinha, bem nativa, tá pessoal? Pouco visitada por turistas, mas esconde uma riqueza enorme em relação a culinárias de frutos do mar. Tem muitos restaurantes aí nomeados por muitos chefs bem reconhecidos, então vale muito a pena. Quem tiver interesse de conhecer ela tem acesso de Uber, de carro também, fica a 10, 15 minutos de quem tá de Tambau, em Cabo Branco, ali hospedado. Então vale muito a pena, tá pessoal? Depois vocês pesquisem sobre ela. E esse complexo de piscinas, por isso justamente a Paraíba é chamada, o João Pessoa, a cidade onde o sol nasce primeiro. Por conta disso, tá pessoal? Os primeiros raios solares do Brasil, eles tocam aqui pela manhã, junto nesse complexo de piscinas, junto nessa praia dos Seixas. E aí, vocês podem perceber que bem cedinho, 5 horas já tem sol, 5 e pouquinho, mas também 5 e pouquinho da tarde já tá se pondo também, tá bom? Então, fica a dica aí, daqui a pouco é hora da foto, eu aviso vocês novamente.
Tambau, Joao Pessoa. Tour is done. We went snorkeling, about the snorkeling mask because I forgot it. Yeah, I forgot mine from the hotel. But still, I got some footage from you that my camera and the underwater housing. Yeah, so yeah, there's some fish there. No coral reef. I stubbed my toe, and that's about it, yo. Hello, so we just finished this tour here. here on the Perola Negra, and it was a cool tour, only 40 reais. But the thing is, you're gonna get wet getting on the boat, so you make sure you bring a waterproof bag or a waterproof wallet, waterproof container for whatever your belongings, because yeah, to get on the boat, you have to get wet. You're gonna get wet, get on the boat. So what I got one of these, very useful, and yeah, it can hold anything up to I think 25 liters. Yeah, and it's waterproof, so I'm good. But yeah, you're gonna get wet to get on the boat to go on this tour. So make sure you're covered here, okay?
I was very excited to visit this place because some foreigners and other Brazilians bragged about the city being the best in northeast Brazil for safety and quality of life. The state of Paraíba is known for being an agriculture state with several industries, so its economy is good. The street and beaches look very clean due to renovations. It's also famous for having Praia de Seixas. That's the land area geographically closest to Africa. Part of this is in the video of the tour. In fact, João Pessoa has several beach tours, whereas Natal has more sand dune tours, which I show in my other video. I only stayed here for a week, and that's because the city didn't meet my expectations, sadly. Cost of living is affordable, the locals are pleasant, but there's no energy or charm seen among the people there. Sure, the locals are proud of their city and they will talk to you if you speak Portuguese. They're nice as usual as other Brazilians, but that's about it. I didn't feel any hospitality. Driving into this city looks great, a lot of beautiful buildings that look new, but that's not in the touristic area. Praia de Tambau a scene that has calm waves on the beach and people hanging out, chilling and going to listen to live music in the kiosks. In the neighborhood of Cabo Branco has this steep hill which you have to climb to get to a shopping mall, but the locals said not to walk there as murders have occurred. So that was shocking to hear considering it's supposed to be a safe city, so your only option is to take a car. If you're staying in a hotel near the beach, most of them are old and under maintenance at Praia Tambau. So if you want something better quality, you have to stay a few blocks inland or go down south in apartments in Cabo Branco. Just 2 blocks from the beach, the city appears robust and busy with plenty of traffic. There aren't any tall buildings near the beach like you see in Fortaleza, but you can't say that's a good thing because Fortaleza is hectic. You also don't see many people walking as there are those driving. Downtown center is 30 minutes away and I didn't have time to explore there, but I heard that's where the parties were. You won't find any good parties by the beaches if you're a solo traveler. It seems mostly family oriented with kiosks playing live music more than anything else. It's worth a weekend visit and they have plenty of boat tours, but it's really not as cool as Natal or Fortaleza in the northeast. So check out my other videos to learn more about Brazil, and thanks for watching.
Bem-vindo a João Pessoa, a terceira mais velha cidade no Brasil, com 20 quilômetros do litoral.